All right, Rach. I've heard around town that you are the queen of mud crab. Everyone comes here for it. Is it that good, is it?
I don't want to give away too many of my secrets.
You know what I was thinking? Maybe we should do a little bit of a cook-off, reminiscing of our days on MasterChef.
Let's do that.
Yeah? All right, let's do it. Where do you start with your crab?
Well, the best thing about the Roper River crabs, when I get them, they are beautiful and clean. So
Yeah.
all I need to do is dress the crab. So we're not taking it out to dinner, no tuxedo. What I need to do is you pull the flap, and then what you do is you put a thumb on the flipper and underneath the carapace, like so.
Muscles.
And because he's so fresh, he doesn't want to. There we go.
Yeah.
And so
Beautiful.
what I'm doing now is essentially removing those parts that you can't eat.
Yeah.
So I'm going to head over to the kitchen sink and clean this boy up.
All right, Rach, while you're washing that, I'm going to get onto this gold band snapper. You can see it's a gold band snapper just from all of these little stripes, and they've got that gorgeous gold colour through it. I'm going to cook this on the flat plate, and I'm just going to cut a few incisions. Let's say 3 or 4. That just makes sure the heat penetrates evenly. I'll do it on the other side. And then I'm going to make a little sauce to go with this, a coconut sauce. So coconut milk into a pan. I'll add a pinch of salt, some turmeric, and this is fresh turmeric. You can get it everywhere here. It does stain, so I'll just step away from it. Tap that in there. Kaffir lime leaves, just going to break them up, throw them in. And these beautiful things, lemongrass, tear them up, throw it in. And then I'm going to add some ginger. All right, and then I'm going to just slice that. All done?
All done. How are you going?
Good. This is just coconut milk, lemongrass, all those gorgeous Asian aromatics that go so well with fish, right?
Oh, definitely.
Keeping it simple.
You have to do that with seafood.
Gives me a good chance to win. Then lime zest, and then I'm just going to whack it on the heat for about 5 minutes. Sauce done. What are you doing next with the crab?
Now this is where it's going to get noisy, and it does get a little messy. So up he goes. Okay, so the back legs are all ready to go. Now I steam my crab, I don't boil it because I don't like to introduce foreign water. And you don't want to flood it, you don't want the meat to go fluffy. So, easy access into the crab. I just do it quick and 3 times, so front and back.
Yeah.
So that crab is now ready to go in the steamer.
That'll make it much easier when we're eating it to just pull it apart.
And it also cuts down on the cooking time as well. So once again...
See, I can make some noise too. Drizzle oil on the corn, on the fish, bit of salt all over in the cavity. Look how fresh it is.
It is beautiful.
All right, I'm off to the grill. All right, that's on.
Right, next step. You've got your lovely fish on. Now it's time for me to get my crab. So, like I said, I only steam.
Yeah.
So just a little cake rack on the bottom there, and about a cup of water.
Yep.
Just on the bottom. Place your lovely crab around. Try not to overcrowd it because you want that steam to go all the way through.
So, Rach, obviously you do this cook to order, and you don't do 2 servings. You do 1 portion per.
One portion,
Yep.
1 crab,
Yep.
1 wok, 1 customer.
Yeah, nice.
It's all about the timing. So loosely, just cover it with foil.
Yep.
A little lid on.
Nice.
Look at the clock. Turn him
Time's
on.
on. All right.
8 minutes.
All right, while that's happening, I'm going to flip the fish and get the corn off the grill and start making this really quick salad. How's it going?
Very well, the crab is done. Now it is into the sauce.
All right.
So this is Rachel's signature sweet, sour and sexy chili sauce. So hubby named that for me.
Did he?
So we start out with a bit of citrus, and of course it's got chili. Bit of citrus, you got your capsicum for the earthiness, and your onion. These need to fry off. Then the chili, but I can't tell you anything else. Have a smell.
Chili, lemongrass, ginger, kaffir lime leaves.
Can't tell
I'm
you.
not even going to guess. I'm just going to taste it at the end.
And then we finish off with the Asian greens and the sweet chili. So there you got the sweet, your sour, and your sexy. I'm going over here.
All right, and I'll finish this salad, which is the combination of this corn, lots of herbs, mint and coriander, and some green chili. And I'm going to take my fish off now because I think it's cooked. That's my sauce, that's yours. Your sauce is looking good.
It just needs a finishing touch over there because I need to add the sweet chili and the Asian greens.
Okay, well, I'll finish mine off while you're doing that. All right, and the little salad, mint leaves, just throw them in, break them up. All right, this salad's almost done, just some green chili. I'm leaving the seeds in, and then I'll add some of the corn. I love corn with fish.
I love it.
Pop of sweetness.
Yes, definitely.
And then I'm going to add some coconut flakes that I've just toasted. All right, Rachel, I better clean down a bit and start plating up. I feel like I've taken over the whole bench.
Yes, I've got a bit of a disadvantage, but I need to go get my sauce, so I'll be back in a minute.
All right, moment of truth. Beautiful crab. Ta-da!
Da, da.
Well, now you've really stolen the show with that. So good.
So let's...
It's something so whimsical when you see crab going from that blue, muddy colour and then that pop of orange.
It's incredible. You know, nature's wonderful, but geez, it helps my plating.
It does, doesn't it? So I'm just squeezing as much of this lime out. The sauce was thick, so just to thin it out and give it that pop of acidity. Some lime. I'm going to keep it thick like this, not too much sauce because it's all about that gold band snapper.
Beautiful. What respect. So I've got our little fellow in the bowl, and all I need to do now is add a little sweet, a little sour, and a little sexy.
Oh, that does look sexy indeed.
She may not be pretty,
She looks pretty good to me. Oh, now.
but she is ready.
She's so ready.
There you go.
One. I can't wait to try that. And to finish
Wait to
this
try
off,
this.
I might use a spoon.
It's a little fancy for the shack, but I tell you what.
I'm just going to take that bit off there. It's super crispy skin. Some of the fins on it, no worries.
Oh.
It's yummy.
I tell you, that's the chip of the fish.
Oh, look how fresh that is.
Oh,
Pulls
my.
away.
Can't lose, can you?
Maybe one more piece because it's so good. Right.
We've just got such beautiful seafood here in Australia, and here in the top end, you know, the fresh fish, NT caught, you know, wild caught. It's, you know, it's worth travelling and coming here and eating it. That's what I get from the tourists. They come here for the fish, for the crab, for the prawns. Oh, okay. Hard work done. Now we enjoy ourselves, I think.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Why don't you go try mine first?
My mouth is salivating right now. Give me a sec.
Might have a taste of it too.
Oh, Justin, that's gorgeous. The coconut, the kaffir lime, that really pops. I love it.
You sound like a MasterChef judge or something.
Oh, no, never.
I need to dig into this because this is where the party's at. How am I going to eat this? I'm going to be so messy.
Stop, right now. You're not dressed for this meal. I need you to have a bit of protection and your fighting gear. You need to have these because you need to get every morsel out.
All right, I'm going into battle.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at all that meat in there. And then the sauce. We'll take his little head.
I'll
to
take
the
that
side.
for you.
And then I guess I'm just going to dip it in.
You just dip it in and then take a bite. Perfect.
Rach, I think you've won this. This mud crab is seriously some of the best I've ever had. Your hospitality, Darwin hospitality, can't beat it, right? You guys are just so warm and fuzzy. I just love it up here. Where else would you rather be? Nowhere. Eating mud crab with Rach. I'm in heaven.
On a sidewalk. Who would have guessed?
Love you, matey.
All right, thank you.